Kia ora, my name is Tasha and I'm a pharmacist from Auckland City Hospital. Today I'm going to show you how to use your Spiriva HandiHaler. To open the device, press the green button on the side. This will open the cap. Lift the lid to reveal the mouthpiece. Next, pull on the mouthpiece to expose the capsule chamber. Each Spiriva strip contains 5 capsules. You will need to release 1 capsule for your dose. To release the capsule from the foil strip, peel back the silver protective foil to release 1 capsule. Place your Spiriva capsule into the capsule chamber. Next, close the mouthpiece until you hear it click. Pierce the capsule by pressing the green button. To inhale your dose, you will need to sit upright. You will need to breathe out away from the device. Then, place your lips around the mouthpiece of the device. Make a tight seal. You will need to breathe in rapidly and deeply until your lungs are full. After this, remove the inhaler from your mouth. You will need to hold your breath for up to 10 seconds. Then you can breathe out through your mouth. You will need to take 2 breaths from 1 capsule to get your entire dose. You will not need to pierce the capsule again. After inhaling your dose, you will need to open the mouthpiece and discard the capsule. You can put this in the rubbish bin. You will need to close the mouthpiece and close the lid of your inhaler. Never wash your HandiHaler in water. If it is dirty, use a dry cloth to wipe it clean. If you need a new device, you can ask your doctor or your pharmacist, and they will be able to help you get a new one. If you have any questions about any of the inhaler devices, please go and ask your pharmacist. They'll be more than happy to help and answer any questions.